Hello everybody, this is Mr. Zod again, back with another lab demonstration. And today I'm going to be working on my attempt to become the world's best hand model. Hello. No, today we'll be exploring intermolecular forces, and we're going to be using some common household chemicals to do that. Obviously, to our left we have water. We got some nail polish remover, otherwise known as acetone. We got some isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, found in any first aid kit. Get one yourself. And we got some glycerin. Now, glycerin was a bit of a hard find, and typically it's used in many hydrating facial gels. You want to look for the one called hyaluronic acid. That one is mostly glycerin. Of course, they do sell glycerin by itself at most stores. I just couldn't find it. So moving on. What we'll be doing today is we're going to be testing these guys' intermolecular forces. We're going to be seeing what they have. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to get a dropper. We're going to take a drop of each material. And then we're going to see how big the drop is and how long it takes for it to evaporate. And so to help us out, I've got a ruler and I've also got a marker. So let's get started here. I'm going to be taking the same amount of liquid from each container, so nothing too crazy. This one only goes up to 1 milliliter anyway. So taking about 0.2 milliliters, and so let's just go ahead and drop that in, and we want to measure that in centimeters. I put that out. It's about, well, I'll show you. Ignore the noise. It's about over here. Maybe 0.75 centimeters. We'll let that go for now. Put the camera back. Oh, there you go. Next up, we're going to go ahead and take some of this acetone. The wife did not mind. Actually, this is mine. You never know. Hand modeling does come with its own drawbacks. Let's see. Whoops, almost dropped the dropper in there. Excellent. So, put that back. And here is about 0.2 milliliters of acetone. Let's just drop that in. So as I put that in, it's becoming very faint. But let's look at the size of that drop. Same amount. Let's see if it's kind of visible here. You know what, to help mark it out. There it is. From there to there. So it's fairly invisible, but the centimeters is about 2 centimeters. Let's go ahead and put this back. And let's go ahead and rinse the dropper off real quick. Done and done. Next up, we're going to go ahead and grab the isopropyl alcohol. Oh no, I did drop the dropper inside the isopropyl alcohol. Luckily, it's not very dense, so the dropper was just kind of floating. There you go. So we're just gonna do the good old dropper. There you go. And just in case it evaporates too quickly or something, mark that down right away. And so it's also about, let's try to measure this guy out, maybe 1.9 centimeters long. All right, fantastic. Let's put this down and make sure it doesn't fall. And one last time with the glycerin. Now, if you looked at the compound, you should notice, you should be aware of what glycerin looks like. And so that should already be a hint as to what to expect from this guy. Okay. I drew a bit too much. We want about 0.2. There it is, 0.2. And we're just gonna, it's not a very good pull, but we got what we got. So let's take a look. It looks like someone just bit something up. And if we measure the diameter of that, let's go ahead and put this end over here. It looks, oh no, I've touched it. Oh no. There you go. It looks to be a little bit over a centimeter. There has to be an easier way, and there is. There you go. Yeah, it looks to be a little bit over a centimeter, maybe 1.4 centimeters long. And so, now what we do is we play the waiting game to see how long this stuff takes to evaporate. Now, rather than having you wait, what I will do instead is I will pause the video, and hopefully this works. I will come back and tell you, either in class or just as a comment, how long these things took to evaporate. It is taking quite a while. It also looks like I might have moved some of these around. Anyway, that will be it for this short little video. Normally in class this would take much longer because we'd be waiting on these things to evaporate, but anyway, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.